Yo, you want something to eat? I got some snacks in the kitchen if you want some. Oh, for real? I'll take some, yeah. Alright, bro. What you want? You choose. Alright. Yo, got some chips. Thanks, bro. Yeah, don't worry about it. Eat good saying that. Bro, why are you chewing so loud? Oh, I am? My bad. My bad. Alright, you chilling, bro. Is it good, though? It's delicious. Like, these are Cool Ranch Doritos. These are the best Doritos. Alright. What? What's going on? Is there something on my face? What? You can make your way out to the front door, bro. You can leave. What did I do? I can't eat chips now? Like, is just eating chips illegal at this point now? Like, is that how you feel? Like, why are you chewing so loud? Like, I get that it's good. You don't have to chew so loud. Just get out, bro. Alright then. Can I keep the chips at least? I don't care. Just leave, bro. I'm not trying to hear that all night. I guess I'll see you then. Alright, bro. Yeah, yeah, I know this dude. Yo, what the